Have you ever wondered if you could make extra income on top of your salary using AI? You're not alone. Many people are finding creative ways to use AI tools and make money from the comfort of their home. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this as well. Whether you're new to AI or already familiar with it, this video will help you unlock simple, powerful ways to boost your income. Keep watching because this could change how you earn money. Let's get into the video. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is freelance with AI-powered tools. You can start using AI tools to boost your freelancing career today. AI writing assistants, design tools, and even coding helpers can make you more efficient, allowing you to take on more projects. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork.com are perfect for offering AI-powered services. You could write, design, or create digital content all using AI tools. Make sure you focus on a niche where you can stand out. Whether it's content creation or data analysis, AI can help you refine your skills and deliver faster results. You can charge a premium by using AI to enhance your service quality. For instance, AI can help you create high quality graphics, making your portfolio more attractive to potential clients. Let me tell you about a friend who used AI tools to boost his freelance career. He started offering social media management using AI, and within a month he was earning 50% more than before. I recommend practicing with free AI tools to refine your skills. There are plenty of options out there like ChatGPT and Gemini for content or Canva for design to help you get started. Don't forget to market yourself effectively. AI can help you to create impressive portfolios and professional proposals to attract more clients. To build trust with clients, be transparent about your AI usage. Let them know how AI helps you deliver faster and more efficient results. Remember, you can leverage AI to automate parts of your workflow. This frees up your time to take on additional clients and projects. It's important for you to stay updated on new AI tools and trends. The world of AI is evolving fast, and you can use this knowledge to stay ahead of the competition. You can also use AI to track your progress. Use AI tools to analyze your freelancing efforts to find areas for improvement, helping you increase your earnings over time. If you're ready to level up your online business and start creating income streams online, I've got free training resources to help you get there. Just click the link below to get started. Now let's dive back into the video. Here is tip number 2, which is to create and sell AI generated content. I suggest that you start creating digital content using AI tools. Whether it's blog posts, ebooks, or video scripts, AI can help you generate ideas and content very quickly. You can monetize your content by selling it online. Websites like Amazon Kindle or Gumroad make it easy to publish and sell your digital products. Let me give you an example of how you can use AI for writing ebooks. You can use AI to generate topic ideas, structure the book, and even create the content. Once it's ready, you just need to publish. If you want to stand out, consider specializing in a high demand niche. AI can help you create unique content in areas like finance, health, or technology, which have a huge online market. The key for you is to use AI for idea generation. AI can help you brainstorm fresh content ideas and titles that will attract readers or buyers. You can also use AI to streamline your marketing process. AI tools can help you create social media posts, advertisements, and even newsletters to promote your products. Make sure you price your digital content very competitively. AI generated content can be created in bulk, so pricing it right can help you sell more units without much extra effort. Don't forget to keep improving your content. AI can assist you in revising and enhancing your work, ensuring that your products and services are always top-notch. To maximize your earnings, think about offering additional services. For example, Offer personalized content creation or AI generated design services to your audience. You can build a passive income stream this way. Once your products are listed, you can keep earning from them as people continue to purchase. I recommend focusing on content that provides real value. AI can help you create the content that solves problems, educates, or entertains, which makes it more likely to sell. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to use AI to automate online businesses. I recommend using AI to automate your online business operations. AI tools can help you manage customer inquiries, handle inventory, and even process orders automatically. You can use AI chatbots to improve customer service. These bots answer questions and guide visitors to the right products, increasing your chances of making a sale. If you want to scale your business quickly, automation is key. AI can handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on growing your business instead of getting bogged down with daily operations. The things you'll love about using AI for marketing is its ability to optimize campaigns. AI can analyze data and automatically adjust your advertising strategies for better results. Let me tell you about an entrepreneur who automated their e-commerce business with AI. They used AI to manage customer feedback and create personalized shopping experiences, leading to a 40% increase in their sales. To help you get started, explore AI tools like Zapier or Integromat. These AI tools integrate various apps to automate tasks like sending emails or managing social media posts. You can also use AI to create personalized email marketing campaigns. AI can analyze customer behavior and tailor content to specific segments, increasing engagements and sales. It's important for you to constantly monitor AI performance. While AI can do a lot, you'll still need to review results and make adjustments when needed. Make sure you're using AI responsibly. If you're handling customer data, use AI to ensure privacy and compliance with data protection laws. Don't forget to leverage AI for insights into your business. AI can help you analyze trends, customer preferences, and more to make informed decisions that will help you to grow your revenue. You can scale your business by offering AI-powered products or services. Whether it's automated design tools or AI-based consulting, there are plenty of opportunities for you to explore. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to sell AI-generated digital products. I recommend creating and selling AI-generated digital products online. AI can help you design logos, artwork, templates, and even music that people are willing to pay for. You can use AI tools like Midjourney or Canva to generate stunning graphics. These can be sold as posters, social media templates, or even branding kits for other businesses. Make sure you choose a profitable marketplace to sell your products. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market are great places to list AI-generated digital assets. If you want to create a consistent income, focus on evergreen digital products. Items like resume templates, planners, or stock images have a continuous demand all year round. Let me give you an example of someone making money this way. A designer used AI to generate printable artwork, wall art, and now earns passive income from sales every month. You can use AI to customize your products for different audiences. AI can help generate unique variations, allowing you to offer personalized designs at a higher price. Don't forget to optimize your product listings with the right keywords. AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini can help you craft engaging product descriptions that attract more buyers. It's important for you to promote your digital products effectively. AI-generated social media posts and automated email campaigns can help you to drive traffic to your store. The key for you is to focus on high quality designs and useful resources. AI makes creation easy, but customers still want products that look professional and add value. You can bundle multiple digital products together for more sales. Offering a set of templates or a full collection increases the perceived value and boosts revenue. To help you scale, consider automating customer support. AI chatbots or automated FAQs can handle common customer inquiries, saving you time while improving the buyer experience. This tip is perfect for viewers who want to make money without freelancing or managing a full business. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to monetize AI generated video. I suggest that you start creating AI generated videos for YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. AI can help you generate scripts, edit videos and even create voiceovers. You can use AI tools like Pictory or Synthesia to generate videos without ever showing your face. These AI tools turn text into professional looking videos in minutes. Make sure you pick a niche with high engagement. Topics like finance, motivation, tech reviews or business tips tend to attract more viewers and add revenue. If you want to grow fast, focus on short form content. AI can help you generate viral short clips that get thousands of views on platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Let me give you an example of how people are using AI for video creation. Many faceless YouTube channels use AI generated voices and stock footage to create engaging content. You can increase your income by monetizing your videos in multiple ways. You can earn from YouTube ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or by selling your own digital products and services. Don't forget to optimize your video titles and descriptions with highly relevant keywords. AI can help you generate SEO friendly titles and hashtags to get your videos discovered by more people. It's important for you to stay consistent with your uploads. AI scheduling tools can help you to plan and automate content posting across multiple social platforms. The key for you is to create content that provides real value, whether it's educational, entertaining, or motivational. AI can help you structure and improve your videos. You can repurpose your AI generated videos for more reach. Turn YouTube videos into Instagram Reels or TikTok clips to maximize your exposure. To help you stand out, experiment with different AI tools. AI generated animations, voiceovers or captions can make your videos unique and more engaging. Let me now give you tip number 6, which is to use AI for print on demand business. I recommend using AI to create unique designs for a print on demand store. AI can generate artwork, slogans and custom graphics for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases and posters. You can use AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to generate original designs. These AI tools can help you create high quality artwork without needing any graphic design skills. Make sure you choose a niche with a passionate audience. AI can help you analyze trends and find highly profitable niches like pet lovers, gamers, or fitness enthusiasts. If you want to sell without any upfront costs, use platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. These websites handle printing, shipping and customer service, so you only focus on the designs. You can maximize sales by testing multiple design variations. AI can quickly tweak colors, fonts or styles, helping you see which designs sell the best. Don't forget to optimize your product listings for search engines like Google. AI can generate SEO friendly titles and descriptions that will help to attract more buyers. It's important for you to market your store effectively. AI tools can create automated social media ads and promotional content to help you drive traffic. The key for you is to offer trending and seasonal designs. AI can help you track market trends so you can release new collections for holidays and events. You can increase profits by upselling matching products. If a customer buys a t-shirt, AI can suggest a matching hoodie or phone case. To help you scale, automate order tracking and customer support. AI chatbots can answer common questions, reducing your workload while improving customer experience. This tip is ideal for viewers who want a passive income stream with minimal upfront investment. And there you have it, 6 powerful tips that you can start start using today. Now, if you're ready to level up and dive deeper into building your online business, just click the link below in the description or the comments and you'll be directed to my website where you can instantly access a range of free training resources and online courses. These tools are designed for all skill levels and they'll walk you through every step to help you create a successful online business and income stream. So don't miss out, take action now and start your journey. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It helps me to create more valuable content for you. Plus, let's connect on LinkedIn. My LinkedIn link is in the description below. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel and have an amazing day.